Welcome all of you for my 30 days healing challenge where I heal health, relationship, career and money area. Today is day 11. We will be healing fear of public speaking today. Okay, close your eyes. Imagine you are on a stage. What is the level of fear of public speaking you have? Rate it from 0 to 10. Okay, so now we are going to use 3 techniques to remove this fear of public speaking. What you need to do, just follow me, repeat after me whatever I'll do. First 2 techniques, you just need to close your eyes, put hands on your heart and just repeat after me. Okay, let's start. Off camera, close your eyes, put hands on your heart, repeat. I take 100% responsibility for everything I have done to create this fear of public speaking. I'm sorry for whatever I have done in past to manifest this fear of public speaking. Please forgive me for holding this fear of public speaking. Thank you for allowing me to heal it, release it, and let it go. I love all the learning from this fear, all the realization from this fear. Whatever stuck in my body, consciously, unconsciously, physically, or emotionally, positive or negative, good or bad, right or wrong, because of which fear of public speaking got created in me. I take 100% responsibility and I am ready to heal now. I allow this fear of public speaking to be here without resistance, without fight. I welcome it, I accept it, and I own it because it's my creation. I lovingly and peacefully now releasing it and letting it go. I am happy to let it go now. I am releasing fear of public speaking and all the memories about public speaking. Release. Every emotion about fear of public speaking. Release. Every voice about fear of public speaking. Release. Every energetic imprint across all timeline and generations. Release. This is not mine anymore. I don't require fear of public speaking now. It's not serving me anymore. So now I am ready to release it. I'm releasing fear of public speaking from every cell of my body. I'm releasing fear of public speaking from every thought of my mind. I'm releasing fear of public speaking from every emotion from my heart. I'm releasing fear of public speaking and all the belief about it from subconscious. I'm releasing every pattern about fear of public speaking. I'm releasing it from all the timeline. And I'm releasing it from all the karmic memory attached to it. I am releasing all the experiences about it. Release. Visualize fear of public speaking is melting from your stomach, from your belly, wherever it was, and dissolving like a fog in sun. Take a deep breath. Release it when you will exhaling. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep. Release. I am now ready to let go this fear of public speaking. I am releasing fear of public speaking from my mind, from my body, from my energy, and from my spirit. All fear of public speaking release. Fear of public speaking release from my conscious, subconscious, and unconscious mind. Release. Whatever fear of public speaking I was having from my childhood, from my past life, release. Whatever public speaking I was having in my belief, in my identity, or in my emotional traumas, behavior, whatever in my memories, all that release. I lovingly release anything and everything connected to this fear of public speaking now. Release. I release the root cause, that stuck energy and false belief. I set myself completely free. Take a deep breath. Release it. I take 100% responsibility for the fear I feel while speaking in public. I take 100% responsibility for the memories and moments when I felt judged, shamed, or silenced. I take 100% responsibility for the limiting belief I accepted as a truth. I am sorry for all the time I doubted myself. I'm sorry for punishing myself for not being perfect on the stage. I'm sorry for letting fear stop me from expressing my truth. Please forgive me for holding on to this fear for so long. Please forgive me for not trusting myself to be seen and heard. Please forgive me for staying silent when my voice is mattered. Thank you. Thank you for every moment that has taught me here to heal. Thank you for my courage to face this today. And thank you for the lesson this fear has taught me. I love you because you are trying to protect me. I love you because now I choose to love my voice and truth. I love you because love is stronger than fear. I accept my shaky hands, my fast heartbeat, and nervous thoughts. The part of me which was scared to begin being seen. All my experiences, even the painful ones, I'm ready to release now. I own this fear, this belief, these memories. I own them to heal them. I own my power to speak with confidence. I own the right to heard. Now I let go the fear of public speaking. It's not needed anymore. I let go old program that say I'm not good enough. And I let go. I set myself free to speak in public with love. Take a deep breath. Release this fear now. Imagine it's going out of your body. Release this fear of public speaking completely. Take one more breath. Release it completely. Let's move to the third technique now, EFT. Just follow me and repeat whatever I'll do, whatever I'll say. Karate chop point first. Even though I have this deep fear of public speaking, I deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I feel nervous, scared, and blocked while speaking, I deeply and completely love and accept myself, honor myself the way I am. Even though my past experiences made me afraid to be seen, I now let it go this, and I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. I honor myself exactly the way I am. Even though remaining fear of public speaking is still there, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Whatever is remain, whatever is stuck, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Two fingers. This fear of public speaking in front of people, release. This fear of being judged by others, release. This fear of not being perfect, this pressure of being perfect in front of public, release. This worry and tension about speaking in front of others, release. All the emotional pressure, all the fear, worry, tension, or all kinds of emotion which are pressurizing me, release. All the memories and experiences that hold me back, release. Anything and everything about this fear of public speaking, whatever I carried, release. Whatever I am carrying from my childhood, all the memories, experiences about fear of public speaking, release. Whatever bothering me, troubling me, disturbing me, all that, release. Thumb. Whatever fear of public speaking I have in any of my area, release. All the fear from my health area, release. All the fear from my relationship area, release. All the fear from my career area, release. And all the fear from my money and financial area, release. Whatever is stuck, whatever is remain, everything, release. Take a deep breath. Take one more deep breath and imagine it's going out. you are the someone who still feel there is some fear is still there, just repeat it, all the three techniques, whatever we have done. Play the video again, start and do it once again until it goes to zero. Practice it. If you want to practice with me, just book one-on-one session. I will teach you advanced technique and release your fears. If you want to understand what is the science behind it, how it works, just book the one-on-one call. It's a free and I'll guide you for that. You can learn it and use it for your lifetime. Visit my website once. There are a lot of things are free for you, whether it is book, whether it is healing session, whether it is LinkedIn session, whether it is job searching session, or whether it is like career guidance, whether it is like manifestation, or everything like life coaching. Those kind of sessions are free there. You can book one-on-one call. It's absolutely free. I'll give you clarity. I'll guide you there. Okay. Thank you very much for allowing me to heal. Keep healing. Keep growing. Let's heal together. Let's grow together. Thank you.